In this video, we'll look at how you can gain early access to Descript features using the Descript Labs feature in Descript. Now, that's a lot of Descripts to say, but in this video, that's all I'm going to show you. Now, to access that or enable Descript Labs, you need to go to this hamburger menu and then scroll down to settings. And when you're in the general, just scroll down. And right here, you'll see Labs. It allows you to preview unreleased features today. So when you see any features available here, you can enable them so that you can preview them as you want. So we've got video regenerate is available, and it's a beta feature to sync clip movement in your videos when using regenerate to change the script. Now, this was available for the audio version where you kind of regenerate the audio, and now they are trying out the beta version for the videos. And obviously videos kind of changing the way you're talking might be a little bit on the higher side, but it's good to try it out and see how it goes. But yes, AI is doing all this and it's changing a lot of things. Now we've also got a new timeline. Currently we've got this timeline down here, and then we've got this scene rail on this side. So all that is changing, and you can enable this. And then the last one at the time of recording this video is the new underload beta, and this allows us to kind of do vibe editing, like you chat with the agent, that is underload agent, and it's going to edit the video for you. And I'll be doing a tutorial on this in the next video, so subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So let's go with a new timeline. Let's enable that, and you'll see instantly everything is going to change right here. So if we close this out, you'll see that our scene rail is gone, and it's going to do a refresh of sorts. So that's okay, there's no issue there. So the scene rail is gone, and what we have now is this particular option here. You'll also notice that some few edit features are also gone or kind of hidden, but you can click on that to see the kind of jump from the previous scene to a new scene is also kind of gone. And then we've got the tools here for select, hand, blade, range, slip tool. Also got a split tool right here, more or less making this like a conventional video editing application. So on the side, obviously the kind of decrease zoom levels, and then we've got this toggle bar here for timeline settings to see markers, comments, audio pins, and then the layer size, the default or large. And if you don't want to see these options here, you can just toggle it off and they'll be gone. But I like to keep them on so that you know what you're actually working with. So let's assume we kind of add a scene somewhere here. Just press on / and a new scene is going to be added right there, and you can actually see it more or less what is happening. If I actually just go back up slightly, this kind of thumbnail that is coming in here. So instead of the rail here, you'll now have a thumbnail here, and then you can have another thumbnail here to jump to that, and then you can just keep doing your splits the way you want, all the way to the end as you want, or you'd like your project to be. Let's say we actually add another one here. And what is happening, if you look at this, if I click on this, you'll see this particular scene is actually selected. It's actually highlighted, and you can see the thumbnail here. And then if you hover over this section, I'll just zoom in slightly. If you hover over this section, you can click on that to edit the transition right there, from a smart to whatever transition that you want. And this is normally once you do the kind of splitting or adding a scene, it looks like.
Thing that you want people to know, etc. Maybe you want to talk about this particular blog post and whatnot, etc. Show people.
You'll kind of not see anything there because there is no major change from this section to this section. So that is what is happening. And also the split button here, click on split. It splits those media as is right there. Everything else remains the same. So you can do whatever manipulations you want. But that is how to gain early access to Descript features in Descript Labs. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.